star. So fine, we're gonna open these things. So this is stable motorbike, and Faizan will assemble this. So we have to open it. Which already open in this way, so we have to cut this way.
Open now.
Okay. No, not this way. Please hold these things. Hold it.
খুলো ভুলভাবে খুলছো কেন?
No.
You did it wrong side. সাবধানে।
Yeah.
You cut in my Lego.
No, I didn't cut your Lego. I just cut the paper box. Yeah.
You almost. Sita, you almost.
So we have some manual books here to assemble the Legos. Faizan will assemble these, and we have 6 packets here.
Batiano.
How many packets?
Batiano.
How many packets are here? 1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
6. And each has numbers. You can see these numbers. B1 0 1 3 2. Here is B1 0 1 3 1. Faizan will assemble this, and we will watch this, how he will assemble these Legos and make a fine object like this. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye.